Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the values of x and y in the following triangles. And I am going to tap on my knowledge of Tua Ka So to help us. Okay, so usually I like to write this at the side. And now, part A. I'm going to make use of this angle, 33 degrees. And with respect to this 33 degrees, let's start, okay? So for 33 degrees, I know this is my H, and this is my opposite, and this is my adjacent. So right, when I want to find my X, I will be looking at O. And actually 14 because that is a known value, O and H. O and H. So you can see that I am going to make use of sign ratio when I solve for X, opposite over hypo. So therefore I multiply 14 on both sides. That will give me the answer for X. So therefore, my answer, X will be equals to 7.6249. 5 to 6 significant figures, followed by 3 significant figures. And when I try to solve for my y, I'm going to look at A and H. So A and H, you will see that I'm going to use cosine 33 degrees, the cosine ratio, to solve for my y. A over H, which is y over 14. Alright. So I'm going to just create more space for myself. So just give me a while Mr. Tan create more space. Okay. So this one, I'm going to multiply 14 on both sides. So therefore, I will get the answer for y. Y is 14 times cosine 33. 11.7414 to 6 significant figures, followed by 3 significant figures. So the value of y is 11.7. Yeah. So I'm going to replicate this method for the other side. So you can see that Mr. Tan again will write out the ratio. And with respect to this angle, I am going to identify the sides. In this case, this is my H. 68 touch the angle A. X will be my O. So to find my letter X, which is O, I'm going to tap on O and A tangent ratio. So tangent 22.4 degrees will be equals to opposite X over adjacent 68. So X is simply 68 multiplied by tangent 22.4 degrees. So from here I can get my X already. Yeah, 68 times tangent 22.4. 28.0276 to 6 significant figures, followed by 3 significant figures. So for my y is H, and I'm going to use 68. So A and H, what ratio am I going to use? Smart. I'm going to use cosine ratio now. A is 68, y is h. So in this case, right, I'm going to multiply by y on both sides and divide by cosine 22.4 degrees on both sides, so that you can see the following working. And for this will be equals to 73.5496 to 6 significant figures, followed by 73.5 3SF. So from this particular example, you would have seen that when Mr. Tan approaches questions that involves trigonometric ratio, I always write out the 3 ratio at the side first. Then I identify the sides with respect to the angle that we are using. Then I will think carefully which ratio to use. Okay? So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Do remember to subscribe as well.